You see the ads everywhere, those sleek, portable pods promising a total body reset for less than the cost of a new smartphone. It is natural to feel a bit skeptical when a product claims to bring a luxury spa experience directly into your cramped living room. The Burneek Sauna is currently at the center of this buzz, and people are dying to know if it is a breakthrough or a total bust. Let us get the biggest worry out of the way first. This is not a classic internet scam where your money disappears into a black hole. It is a physical product that actually arrives at your doorstep. It functions. It plugs into your wall. It generates significant heat. This puts it several steps above those fly-by-night operations that just steal credit card info. However, being a legitimate business does not automatically mean you are getting a premium piece of equipment. When you open the box, the reality of the price point starts to sink in. The materials are functional but definitely lean toward the budget side. You will notice the panels are lightweight. The fabric feels a bit thin compared to professional grade gear. If you're expecting a heavy-duty piece of machinery that will last for 20 years, you might want to adjust those expectations right now. The heat itself is effective for what it is. You are definitely going to sweat. If you use one of the infrared tent models, the temperature climbs quickly. But do not expect the perfectly even, deep penetrating warmth of a high-end cedar cabin. You might find some spots are significantly hotter than others. It lacks that total immersion feeling you get at a fancy gym or a dedicated wellness center. The marketing language used to sell these things is often a bit over the top. You will hear words like detox and rapid health transformation thrown around like candy. The truth is much simpler. It is a heated environment that helps you relax and move some fluids through your system. It is not a miracle cure or a shortcut to a perfect physique. It is a tool for recovery and stress relief. Setting it up is surprisingly easy. This is a big win for people who hate complicated manuals. The controls are straightforward. You do not need to be a tech expert to get it running. This simplicity is great for beginners, but it also reinforces that budget feel. You are paying for convenience and accessibility, not for high-end luxury. You should also be careful with how you handle it. The zippers and connectors can be a bit delicate. If you are rough with the setup, you might see some wear and tear sooner than you would like. It is a product that requires a gentle touch to maintain its lifespan. The biggest selling point is clearly the price and the size. For someone living in a small apartment, the ability to fold this thing up is a massive game changer. You can slide it under a bed when you are finished. You get the benefits of a heat session without giving up half of your square footage. It is an entry-level gateway into the world of home wellness. It is not a scam, but it is also not a spa-level masterpiece. It is a middle-of-the-road option for anyone who wants to sweat on a budget. If you go in with your eyes open to the build quality, you will likely find it to be a solid addition to your routine. Just remember that you get exactly what you pay for in this corner of the market. Safety is also something to keep in mind. Since it is a heat-producing electrical device, you need to be smart about where you put it. Do not tuck it away in a corner with no airflow. Follow the manual to the letter. Cheaper builds sometimes lack the heavy insulation of the big-name brands. If you respect the equipment and keep your goals realistic, this little heat pod might just be the upgrade your recovery routine needs. It is functional, affordable, and honest about what it offers. Nothing more and nothing less.